acceptable. You know, with our infectious energy and our humbang energy, we make everyone dance. Go tonight, play music. Here we go. Take a bow. Thank you guys. Okay, teachers, please go. It's October, and it's the first time na gagawin po na G-Force. First time. Kesa po nag-gadget palagi at palaging nasa cellphone ang mga anak ninyo, we are working on a special project that has a very holistic approach to train our kids. But this is going to be by invitation only. So we have selected the students that we will email to get the invitation, because that will happen this October, and it's going to be a dance retreat. This will be done. Hindi ko pa masyado ma-reveal kung saan, but it's going to be a special program, wellness movement, that will involve nutrition and also meditation, and of course the dance. So I hope that your children, that your child will get that invitation. So I always say this in all our programs. The dismissal of our students is also part of our show. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang mga guests namin, ang aming mga kaibigan, supporters, Mega Magazine. Thank you so much for coming, Ramon, Janine.